Thank you very much, Phil. It's my pleasure to chair the second panel today, focusing on partnerships and good governance for advancing hazard and risk assessments. The application of science to disaster risk reduction is often blocked by the lack of good governance systems that define the mandates of organizations and the responsibilities in what is often a very long chain of information that is necessary to assure that scientific information, including the results of hazard and risk assessments, are ultimately applied to regulations such as building codes, to public awareness, to hazard warnings, urban planning, and other activities. Our four panelists today will present some highlights of their work, primarily with earthquake and volcanic risks, addressing the importance of governance, including coordination and collaboration across institutions that are integral to their work. Firstly, Sue Laughlin is the volcanology team leader from the British Geological Survey. Susan is a volcanologist with extensive experience of survey and monitoring, including as a previous director of the Montserrat Volcano Observatory. She provides advice to the UK government on risks and impacts of volcanic eruptions. Pak Masyur Irsam is a professor of geotechnical engineering at the Bandung Institute of Technology in Indonesia. He specializes in earthquake geotechnical engineering, and he's been the coordinator of the National Center for Earthquake Studies of Indonesia, the chairman of the team for the revision of the National Seismic Hazard Maps, and also a coordinator for building codes in Indonesia for geotechnical engineering and earthquake resistance design. Yoshihiro Ishizuka is a volcanologist working at the Geological Survey of Japan. His research focuses on the magma evolution of active volcanoes, including Mount Fuji. He advises the Japan government on volcanic hazard mapping. And fourth is Helen Crowley, who is a seismic risk consultant at the U Center in Italy. Helen is an earthquake risk engineer and has worked on a number of European projects related to seismic risk and loss modeling. She recently coordinated the development of the first openly available earthquake seismic risk model for Europe. Yes, so we'll now hear from our speakers. Following their presentation, we'll have about 20 minutes for question and answer. So if you do have questions, feel free to put them into the Q&A, and we'll go through that immediately following the four previously recorded videos. So please roll the videos. Thank you.